Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today: some pop choi, sweet and sour chicken, dumpling, and breadfruit and yam. So we're going to start and show me do my recipe. Add some chicken to the pot there. Yeah, you see, so we're going to stir fry it around 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Please, yeah. So I'm showing step by step. Please like and share. Remember, sweet and sour, sweet chicken with pop chai. My recipe have a eatable, tastable, so I'm start stir fry my chicken. So I stir it up. I don't want to burn and eat up on the pot. I want to stir it to get the color and the flavor. How me want it to eat. So please, want to do it to the end. Look carefully. Yeah, keep the recipe have a eatable, tastable. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please like and share. The recipe are nice, eatable. So they are stir fried chicken. I get the color how me want it. Yeah. So peeps, another update, you know, peeps, yeah. Gonna go on myself, and I go on myself and peeps. So, you know, say it's a recipe, I got tastable and eatable, delicious. It's a short video, peeps, 3 minutes and add. So yeah, we soon start going to some 1 hour video when you can see the full process, everything in the world itself. Then video coming soon, peeps, right? So another update again. So you know, so I stir fry that for around 20 minutes and now, so you know, say peeps. See chicken well pretty there, colorful there. Tenderize there, yeah, stir fry. You know, it's a chicken I can eat. You have the skin pan it now, watch the skin, you know. That's something you want my chicken. You hear me I say? Yeah. Some green season, some healthy chicken now. That go and cook for one next 20 minutes. Yes, my peeps. So peeps, another update again. Another update on the chicken you know. So I'm going to throw some cornstarch in it, my peeps. Right? Yeah. Simple, natural, sweet and sour, still chicken, my peeps. Yes. Look what I go on now. Like it back, I go and cook on my peeps. Yeah. Another update again. See there. The recipe there look eatable, presentation, tastable, delicious. Finger licking peeps. And I'm telling you, right now they are hungry, my peeps. Hungry, my peeps. Another update again. Never add vinegar to it. This will make it sweet and sour. That vinegar never use. Yeah. Peeps, it's little pop chai there, and I really enough. Don't know. Lumberjack creative enough. So I turn it and make fashion. So I say, yes, my peeps, so you know the pop chai piece, you have to turn it and make fashion. See pop chai and chicken the piece, so I will lock it and if you go and cook right here. Yes, my peeps. See dumpling, breadfruit and yam there. Cook already, peeps, and ready. So if I show you all our recipes, I update that for the cook food pot and thing, my peeps. I think they are hungry. Another update on the chicken, sweet and sour pop chai chicken there. Yes, my peeps, the chicken is tastable, eatable, delicious. Peeps, please to like and share. Remember, every time rise, every time fall. And I believe in the falling thing. Big up a sexy body girl, and big up a true warrior, and big up Father God first and everything. A lumberjack I represent. Please remember to like and share. It's a recipe and nice, eatable, tastable. Peeps, now until like they are hungry, my peeps. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Please like and share, peeps. The recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Out there on the food pot. The recipe, the presentation, pop chai, sweet and sour chicken tea, dumpling tea, yam tea, breadfruit, the peeps right. I'm hungry.